A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh, Mr. Mike.
Hi. You've heard about the very hungry caterpillar. This is a very noisy caterpillar. Are you ready for circle time? We're going to have some fun.
Welcome to Circle Time with Mr. Mike. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like. To watch more educational videos like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll take a look at caterpillars and see how they crawl and chomp through plants until they get big, fat, and sleepy.
Now it's time to sing good morning to you, and to you, and to you. Are you ready? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. To you, 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 to me. We're all in our places with sunshiny faces, and this is the way to start our new day. Today we're talking about caterpillars, and I thought I'd ask accordion to help me to show you what a caterpillar might look like, walking or crawling. Maybe a caterpillar crawls something like this. Let's look at some caterpillars.
Caterpillar, caterpillar, crawling on the ground. Caterpillar, caterpillar, moving all around. Caterpillar, caterpillar, moving oh so free. Caterpillar, caterpillar, climbing up a tree. Caterpillar, caterpillar, careful on a twig. Caterpillar, caterpillar, can you dance a jig? Caterpillar, caterpillar, I can see you bend. Caterpillar, caterpillar, now this is the end. Here's a green caterpillar on a green leaf. Squeeze and, oh look, squeeze, he gets small. Squeeze, squeeze, and he gets small. He looks like an accordion. Squeeze and small. Squeeze and small. I wonder if he's ticklish. Okay.
Can you move like a caterpillar? Let's try. caterpillar move faster? Try it. Oh, but remember, the caterpillar was very hungry and he ate a lot, so he got fatter and fatter and couldn't move as fast. Good job.
Here are some hungry caterpillars. They're munching and crunching on a leaf. One on this side and one on that side. Munch, munch, crunch, crunch. Munch, munch, crunch. Do you see the parts they've already eaten?
There's a story about a caterpillar who was very hungry. Would you like to hear it?
The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. The Very Hungry Caterpillar then ate through 1 green leaf. He started to feel better. Now, the caterpillar was no longer small. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a small hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end.
After eating so much, that hungry caterpillar got tired, and he made a little house and went to sleep. And that made me kind of sleepy too. I think I'll just take a little nap. It's time for the big red chair. And the first person I want to mention is Alana.
We did?
Alana, you did a beautiful job singing about "It's a sunny day today" and all of the body parts. Very good. You did the nose, nose, beep, beep, eyes, eyes, blink, blink, ears, ears, bloop, bloop, cheeks, cheeks, all of the body parts. Very good. And Herman, I watched you doing some insect. Good work, Herman. And now we're going to finish with bye, bye, bye with Alana and her little sister Inez.
Bye, bye, bye. Do, 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 bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Do, 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 bye. See you another day. See you another day. Another day. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, Mr. Mike.